FOP2 is a useful tool for managers to listen to and record calls, monitor call status, and coach new employees. This portal is accessed by going to the specific company URL that is set up with Arbeit Voice in the following format: example.arbeitvoice.com/FOP2. All extensions that are set up on your account will be listed on this screen. A green extension means that extension is logged in to Arbeit Voice and available for calls. Orange indicates that extension is on an active call, and a grayed out extension indicates that the user is offline. The top row of the dashboard has a number of buttons that can be used for management purposes. The ear icon allows you to listen in on a live call, whereas the ear and microphone icon allows you to listen and whisper, which will give you the opportunity to speak to an agent on their call without the other party hearing. The record icon allows you to record a live call.